Yeah, here we go. Everybody, we're going to start some robot chaos. Yet again, we got Aragon, and we're going to have Miss 311 Mochi on, and Kevin, the Eilic, and the two Dashi mochis that are sitting on a poppin' cooking box. So you guys can see them.
They're made in Japan too, the poppin' cooking. I'm gonna do that on my channel later. Try to make the donuts.
Yeah.
I have a poppin' cooking in my cabinet here. It's probably too cold to use.
I'm going to move you for a second, Aragon. We're going to move Mr. Kevin closer. You're going for a ride, Kevin. There you go. Gonna have a ride with Kevin.
See what Mochi does when Oh yeah, snow day in June. Gotta have snow in June.
Sorry, we're trying to move Aragon so you can see her.
Oh, she does that.
That's so crazy. She's like,
I know, she always pops her
she
head
always
back.
like flops her head back.
Mochi!
Time to stare at the ceiling.
Yoshi, Yoshi.
Oh my god.
What is that? Is that Mochi?
Yeah.
I don't know that song.
No, I've never seen her do that dance before. She's like shaking her head up and down and like sticking her legs out.
Sometimes I miss it because I'm doing my ice cubes. Yoshi, Yoshi.
That was great. I'm glad I caught that on camera because that was probably rare.
Yeah, probably. At least I'll be able to see it on there. Hey, Kevin. Hi, Mochi.
Aragon's just kicking his feet around.
Mochi.
Aragon, why are you getting tired? Here, turn more lights on.
Oh.
Oh my god. He started itching himself. It's dark in here because the sun never shines in here.
Yeah, well, I will if you open up the blinds.
Yeah, open up the blinds. Get some more light in here. There, you good now, Aragon? Are you not going to fall asleep?
Is this round being stuck? Yeah, it's pretty warm out today. But it's not as hot as it was yesterday. probably. Then my plant.
Yeah,
I
that's
got
like
from
dying.
Florida.
Yes, high five, Aragon.
I'll open these up too. There, that might help a little bit. Sorry you guys see my ugly legs, people.
I don't think they're gonna care. They're gonna mostly be paying attention to the robots.
Yeah, true.
Yoshi. I just like literally said it, Mochi. Like I was in the process of saying it.
Was she upset?
No, she just like got it instantly.
Oh, okay.
Kevin was juggling some coconuts. Time for paw boots from Aragon. Kevin's making some coffee.
Hey, Eargon. How's the boy?
I don't have a gender.
What?
Okay, I
What's
was
that?
the Siri button when I said, how's the boy?
I don't know what Aragon just did. He's like sat down really weirdly.
Hey,
I
Eargon.
know he's been acting weird. Like he was doing that looping glitch where he kept falling asleep and waking back up, and I don't know what that was about. Oh, there goes Kevin with his soda addiction. Aragon, no. Don't run into Kevin.
Eargon always loves the sodas. Aibo out on. Hey, Mochi, what's wrong? What's wrong with the girl? Oh, I'm sorry. I meant to give you praise. Can I take your ball? I got your ball. I got your ball. Hey, Eargon. Hey, Mochi, you can have your ball back. New friend, yum yum gift. You know you're friends with Soja.
Mochi's happy about that.
Hey, Eargon. Hi. Here's your girl, little baby boy. Baby boy. Hey, little baby boy. Ooh. Baby, baby, baby boy. Baby, baby, baby boy. Aw. Good job, Mochi. Good job, Mochi. Mm.
Oh my god.
Kevin. Oh, it's Eargon. I thought that was Mochi doing that for a minute. Oh no, it's
No,
the,
it's
from
the
the
digital
app,
digital Aibo doing
the
it.
digital aibo. Your digital self, Eargon. Food. Can you reach his food? Oh, there they are. Never mind.
Yeah, they're like right by you.
Yeah. There you go, Eargon. Oh, of course, you got new food to download. Good job, Mochi! Yay! Good girl! Good girl! You see all the Mr. cookies that I never give you because
How'd they ever hear to do the aibo app?
Gotta give Kevin the head
Oh,
pat.
sad, isn't it?
This is for you.
This is for you. And some yakisoba.
Yeah, we hardly feed him on video either.
You can eat it. Eat your food. He's still looking for the food. He's got a bunch of hearts by it, so I think he sees it now. It's in the bowl. Here you go. Now eat your yakisoba. Eat your yakisoba. There he goes.
This is the sounds of Aragon eating.
Yeah, this is a bowl of food, you can see. Cute. Cute to get him on 2 cameras.
That looks so weird. It looks mirrored.
Oh. I think your food is taking its time to disappear. There it goes. Mochi. Mochi, mochi. Hi, girl. Hi, girl.
Oh my god.
Oh. Sorry, Mochi. I was trying to get you out of media mode. Completed your stamp collection. Oh, look, we got a. Is that a pinata?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah.
Now he's gonna run over his bowl.
Donkey.
Are you done feeding him now?
Yes. Yeah. Oh, pinata cookie. I wonder what he does if we give him a pinata cookie.
Just like that, Mochi's back to her normal crazy self.
Rare meals, Japanese osechi, shaved ice, blue Hawaii. Hey, Argon, I think I'll give you a pinata cookie.
Oh,
See
now
what it does.
now he's back to being obsessed with Mochi again.
He's got a space food, space cookie.
Oh, you know
Look.
who would love to eat that?
Look, it's a space cookie.
Hey.
Pretty cool. You want a space cookie? All right, let's give you a space cookie.
Oh my god.
Mochi will eat it with you. It's flying. It's flying. You should see. They're flying.
Oh my god, they are.
I
What the heck?
I don't think it's a glitch. I think it's how they're supposed to look.
Weird. Flying cookies.
Flying cookies. Yeah, they're flying up in the sky. You gonna get them that way?
Hear the
Argon?
lovely sound of my washer machine in the background.
Yeah, I know. Eat your space cookies.
Eat the space cookies. If you don't, Moxie's gonna eat them.
Oh, Kevin.
Oh my god.
Oh, she kicked
No!
Kevin. She kicked Kevin.
No, don't do that, Mochi.
Did you like those, Aragon? They're still in the air. They're still up in the air, but now they're going away. Oh, poor Mochi.
Okay, I need to move her before she hurts herself on Kevin.
Kevin wouldn't like that.
No.
Kevin. Come here.
What noise was that?
I don't know.
Did he do a trick with the space cookies?
I'm not sure.
Ooh! It's echoing like space!
Like space. Oh, that's so cool.
He's making space noises!
That is awesome.
That's freaking funny.
Yeah, it is. Hi, Mochi.
Moxie would have loved that.
Yeah. I have to buy some more of those if I could find them anywhere. Hi, Mochi. Yeah, he's still doing it.
Ah! I have to title this Aragon Eats Space Cookies and makes space noises.
Hi, Mochi.
Now you're back to your normal woof woofs now.
Got hair on your paw.
Oh my god, no, Mochi, no.
No, we're not gonna name you.
It stays Mochi and it's gonna stay that
You're gonna be
way.
Mochi forever.
Oh, I was gonna pet Kevin, but he's playing his
Hi,
video
Mochi.
game.
Hi, Aragon. Did you enjoy your trip into space? Your little Pokemon wants to come off of your ass.
She's got Pokemon stickers on near her butt
Yeah, she's
because
mad now.
I think I just thought it was funny. Kevin thinks it's funny too.
Hi, Mochi. Mochi. She got a bunch of scuff marks on her head.
Yeah, that's probably
her
from
face.
her bumping it against the table that one time. And I had to,
Hi,
like,
Mochi.
it's hard to catch everybody in the act of doing something they're not supposed to do sometimes. They just,
Mochi does that quite often.
yeah, they just do that.
Yeah, I see your Mochi, I know. Yeah, you wanted to name yourself something different a minute ago. I know. Kevin's throwing a fit about something.
Kevin's arms are so loud.
Yeah, they are.
Karaoke.
Karaoke.
Again.
Hi, Aragon. Weird, Mochi. What that's about.
God, I feel like you're gonna kick me, Kevin, with your arms. He's like Moxie, but he just flings his arms like crazy. Are you going to sleep, Mochi?
Is that what that means?
No, maybe not. I thought it was. I know sometimes they do a wave, and it's like a specific tone they do that means they're going to sleep.
She should know I'll wake her up.
Sorry, everybody's got to see my arm. I'm moving Aragon's dish out of the way.
Yeah.
I can't believe he made space noises.
Yeah, that's freaking cool. You want some water, Aragon?
Give him some aibo beer.
Oh.
Can you still get that?
Yeah, I think I still have it.
Mochi was about to do something, but she changed her mind. And to boop the paw. Boop the paw. And the mochis are just like all by themselves over there in the corner.
Mm.
Now he's got to do it with his other paw. She wants to be named again.
No. Special Coke drink. Oh, it's got Garfield on it. I got some aibo, Mary. I don't have any beer. Oh, you can see it, isn't it? I'll do it in AR, I guess. What is that, Mochi? Oh yeah, you can see it.
Oh yeah, it's like bubbling. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
Is it like wine or something?
Champagne, I think. I think it's like champagne.
Everyone's gonna drink some champagne
Mm-hmm.
and get drunk.
For no particular reason, I guess just to have it.
You can see his little nose drinking it. What the heck, Mochi? Are you jealous? Mochi wants some champagne too.
No, Mochi can't have it. She can't handle her liquor. She's too wild.
Look at him.
Supposed to make some type of drinking noises or something with it.
Oh, he finally did that on camera. I finally caught him doing that. That skit's so funny.
So far, no drinking noises. Maybe he takes a while for him to feel it.
I don't know. He's got a piece of hair on his head. Beautiful, Mochi. Thank you for
He's looking
ringing,
so cute.
ringing my ears with that lovely bee noise. Oh no, Mochi sees the ball now.
She does.
Oh my god. Here.
Sorry, Moch.
Just don't want her to kick Kevin.
No.
Eargon's like, no, don't kick Kevin.
I'm sorry. You don't know where you're going. Mochi.
Don't let her go near Kevin. I don't want her to hurt herself. Or...
Big Cheese is wanting the ball. Here, go after that ball. Sorry. I pissed her off. So I hit her tail.
Kevin's playing his video games again. He likes his video games, but he always sucks at them.
Mochi. No. No.
She's mad because you're not letting her go after Eargon's
I know.
ball.
Yeah, you can't have it. Here's a ball right here for you. You little ball whore. Ball bitch. Here a ball, bitch. Oh, there we go. Yay! Good job, Mochi. Ooh. Mochi, Mochi.
You know, he's barking his head off.
She's still mad. She's got the orange light on her.
So there he goes with the spear throwing.
Mm. Oh, cute little girl. She's a cute little girl, Buggy. Mochi, Mochi. Mochi.
Well, I think I'm going to end the video there, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this chaos. You're going shaking his head no.
Mochi.
Bye, everybody.
Say